A double whammy for the eastern coast of the country, dealing with the pandemic and now a natural calamity as well. The states of West Bengal and Odisha are on high alert as Cyclone Yas is all set to strike the twin states. The cyclone is expected to make its landfall on Wednesday afternoon. It's very likely to move north-northwestwards, according to the Met Department, and further intensify into a severe cyclonic storm in the next 24 hours. Now it will be intensifying further, will reach northwest Bay of Bengal near North Odisha and West Bengal coasts by early tomorrow morning. The cyclone is likely to cause extremely heavy rainfall in east and west Midnapore as well as the south 24 Parganas of West Bengal. It's expected to bring in winds of 155 to 165 kilometers per hour, going all the way up to 180 kilometers per hour as well. And let's show you the path of this particular cyclonic storm. Which are the states that will be impacted? This right here is the movement of Cyclone Yas. It's going to be moving further into the east. You see there that it's going to hit between West Bengal and Odisha. Now, along this entire area, you're going to see Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu coastal parts receiving heavy rainfall and wind speeds going up. But it is going to be Bengal and Odisha that's going to be facing the brunt of the cyclone. And as it moves further inland, it will weaken. But tomorrow is when it's expected to face the worst of the cyclonic storm. And that's when it makes landfall, according to the Met Department, by Wednesday afternoon. And that's why you're already seeing preps being made. We're being told that heavy rains could start off by late this evening. Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground to tell you the kind of preps being done right now. We've got Anupam Mishra joining us from West Bengal, from Digha district. Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's reporting from Balasore in Odisha. Let me take this across first to Kamaljeet. Kamaljeet, good morning. Where you're standing, Balasore is where the cyclone is expected to make landfall tomorrow. Just tell us really what kind of preparations you see on the ground right now.
Akshita, we are on a bus with the NDRF and we are heading towards the coastal areas. Constant announcements being made to the villagers to stay inside. Remember, Odisha has time and again faced the cyclones and storms from severe to extremely critical ones. So there is a preparation. But this time, because this is the year of the pandemic, remember, all these people here not only are practicing social distancing, so they have a specialized mask. Let's just try and get you a word. ये बताइए, इस साल कोरोना वायरस भी है, इस साल बड़ा चैलेंज है. हमने देखा था ताकते आया, उसके बाद आप लोग सीधा जुट गए हैं इस साइक्लोन के लिए. तो आप ये बताइए किस तर्ज पे तैयारी है आप लोगों की?
नमस्कार, हम एनडीआरएफ से हैं. तो जैसे कि अभी कोरोना इस महामारी से हर एक आदमी हिंदुस्तान का जूझ रहा है, इसी हिसाब से हम भी अपने से पूरी तैयारी से हैं. हमने एक सोशल डिस्टेंस रखा हुआ है. हमने गांव के हर एक आदमी को अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में ये बता दिया गया है कि सबसे पहले आप अपने आप को बचाव रखें. और उसके बाद जैसे कि अभी जैसे तूफान आ रहा है, समुद्री तूफान हमारे उड़ीसा में आ रहा है, इसके बारे में हमने उनको सबको तमाम आदमी को बता दिया है कि अपने अपने जो घर कच्चे हैं या पक्के हैं, घर कच्चे वाले भी अपने आप को सेफ रखें और पक्के वाले भी रखें, ताकि जो आसपास जो पेड़ हैं उनके घर के ऊपर ना गिरें और सोशल डिस्टेंस रखें. बाकी हम लोग संभाल लेंगे. हम अपने आप से पूरे तैयार हैं. हम अपने आप को पूरा पीपी जैकेट से अपना सैनिटाइज किया हुआ है. पूरा हम पूरे तरीके से हम लोग तैयार हैं लोगों को बचाने के लिए.
So you can see not only are they wearing the kits, they're wearing gloves. Just try and get your sense because we are still on the way. गांव में कह रहे हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा बारिश आने वाली है, बिल्कुल नजदीक है ये सागर के. तो आप लोग क्या क्या हमने देखा कि उड़ीसा की तैयारी हमेशा बहुत अच्छी रहती है, बहुत सही रहती है. विलेजेस को पहले कर लिया जाता है, जो गांव है वहां से हटा के दूसरी जगह रिहेबिलिटेट कर लिया जाता है. तो इतना अच्छा प्रिपरेशन कैसे रहता है?
एक्चुअली मैडम, यहाँ पे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी काफी हेल्प करती है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के साथ. और यहाँ पे एक्चुअली हर साल साइक्लोन आता है, इसलिए इनकी तैयारी हमेशा बनी रहती है. और जितने भी सेंटर हैं जहाँ पे साइक्लोन में अगर आदमी आता है उनको वहाँ पे रखा जाता है, वहाँ की तैयारी यहाँ पे हमेशा बनी रहती है. इसलिए इनको यहाँ से प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है ये वो. और गांव से आदमियों को जल्दी हम लोग रेस्क्यू कर लेते हैं.
So the landfall is expected to be on 26 and it's going to be somewhere early in the morning between Balasore and Paradeep. And we've been told likely because, you know, the wind speeds are going to be 165 kilometers per hour. It's going to be one of a task. We can try and show you. There are loudspeakers out here. The loudspeakers being utilized to tell the villagers. So this is constant announcement and preparations being made till we head to the coastal areas.
Okay, Kamalji, just stay on with us. We'll come back to you. A bit of a problem there with your connection as well. She is on the move right now, Kamalji, with their NDRF team to the coastal areas. Anupam Mishra is joining us from Digha in West Bengal. Anupam, in these areas, the coastal parts of West Bengal, we understand that a lot of people have already been moved away from low-lying areas. I'm sure a lot of advisories have also been put out for the residents there.
Yeah, definitely people who were living on in mud houses have been shifted to the safe houses, and I want to show you the sea conditions over here in Digha. These are the sea conditions at present at 8 a.m. in the morning, and Digha sea is known for a calm sea, but these conditions are not calm and cool, and it is getting rough, and it will get extremely rough in next 12 hours. And when the landfall process will start, these sea conditions will be extremely rough. That is why fishermen have been advised not to venture into the sea, and the people living around coastal areas, especially in East Midnapur and South 24 Pargana, they have been shifted to safe houses. NDRF team have been deployed, civil defense team have been deployed. They are constantly patrolling over sea beaches so that people don't venture near to sea. And in fact, there is a kind of relief that lockdown is going on, so tourists and local people are not near to sea, so the task has been cut short, but this time administration has already prepared, because last year Amphan cyclone has created havoc, especially in Kolkata. So taking lessons from last year, this year Mamata administration has already been prepared well in advance.
You can already see that the seas are very, very rough right now. This cyclone is expected to make landfall tomorrow somewhere around noon is what the Met Department has predicted, and that's why all authorities are now on the ground ensuring that people are taken to safety. Anupam and Kamalji, thank you for joining us with all those details.